Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Fusion battery. Before starting, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. You will need a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Some Ford Fusion models have the battery in the trunk, while others are under the hood, so locate it first. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. It is crucial to always disconnect the negative terminal first to avoid any accidental short circuits. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative cable, then carefully remove the cable from the terminal. After that, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. Finally, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray, preparing it for removal. With the old battery removed, it is time to install the new one. Be mindful of the old battery's weight as you lift it out. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Now, carefully place your new battery into the clean tray. Remember, when connecting the new battery, always attach the positive terminal first, tightening it securely with your 10mm wrench. To complete the installation, connect the negative terminal last, ensuring it is tightened firmly. Double-check that all hold-down clamps or straps are securely reattached, preventing any movement of the battery. For added longevity, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling center. Many auto parts stores offer this service free of charge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.